Hello everyone and welcome to Sneakeroos, and today we have another random unboxing. But before anything else, please hit the subscribe button to keep you up to date on my next Sneakeroos video. Now I got this box last Friday, but I wasn't able to open it. But I think it's a great opportunity to open this box in front of everyone. Now I have a feeling that this is not only one shoe, of course, by the size of its box, it's actually massive. So I reckon it's not just one sneaker or one. Could be something else or something more. But we're gonna open it in front of you guys so you'll be able to see. I have a feeling that this is a combination of a few different items. But anyway, let's get into it. Okay, all right, okay. I think you've seen this bit over here. Just flip this over here. Okay, now you can see a bit of a better view of what's gonna come out of this box. Okay, all right, let me just flip this other part of the box on this side. Okay, so let's start with the first item. But before anything else, like I told you, this is just a quick random unboxing. There's no review or anything like that. But I just wanna open the box and let you guys see what I have just recently purchased. All right, so from the looks of it, this is actually a duffel bag. It's the Nike Utility Power 2.0. And it's a duffel bag. It's a medium size bag. I think by specs it will be like around 51 liter, I would say, in terms of the capacity of this bag. It's medium actually. It's not huge like any duffel bags, but I reckon that this would work for my cameras, and at the same time if I'm like playing basketball during the weekend. Okay, so that's what it is. It's a Nike Utility 2.0. You can see here. That's the branding. And the actual color, I would say it's not yellow, but it's sort of like cream color. I haven't checked the specs when I was buying this, but I think it would be a khaki color, or desert khaki or something like that. Yeah, but it's a good color. So it's a Nike Utility 2.0. All right, let's go to the next one. Wow, as you can see, you have two sneaker boxes around here. Now let me just pull out each of these so that we get this huge box out of the way. Oh, nice box, by the way. Look, it's a bit glossy. You can see there's a bit of reflection here. Okay, let me just put this aside for now. And then there's another red box here, a regular Nike sneaker box or shoe box. Now let me just move this box right away. Now let me put this back in. So there's one, and there's another one here. And like I said in the beginning, this is not going to be a review or anything technical when it comes to, you know, sneaker. But let me just open the boxes and show it to you. All right. I think let's go with the red one, because I think red seems a bit regular in most Nike products, but we'll see. Okay, should I show you the details on the side? But no. Okay, let me just open it. 1, 2. Okay, pretty surprised if this is something that I think. All right, let me guess. I don't think this is for me. By the look of the box, it looks small. So I reckon this is something that I bought for my wife. So let's just open it. Oh, this is nice. Look, this is the Nike Shox R4, and this is a women's shoes, and this is in size 8.5. Just letting you know. So look at that. Look at that detail. This is the lateral side. Have a look. And this is on the medial side. And this is sort of like a reflective material. Wow, look at that. I think these are like florals. If you see in close-up, you can see that sort of like floral patterns. And I like the color. It's really, really nice. It's a very neutral color that you can wear with white, yellow, pink, blue, whatever. Yeah, especially if women will actually wear anything, almost anything. And they can pair a lot of their outfits with this sneaker. So this is the Nike Shox R4 in 8.5. So let me just show you the actual label, and it says here women's Nike Shox R4, and the color is college gray and flat pewter color, and the size is 8.5. Okay, so let me just check the box again if there are any extras, but it's been always good to check. But overall, I mean, look at this. This is an amazing shoe. Isn't it nice? Yeah, I think this is reflective, this color, and probably it glows at night, glows in the dark sort of thing. And look at these details here. Come on, wow, this is nice. So again, let's do a quick look at the shoe. So this is the lateral side. This is the toe box. This is the medial side with a Nike swoosh here. And this is the outsole. Let me just give you a bit of close-up of the outsole here. And it says there, Nike Shox. Wow, this is good. This is really good. I like it. I'm sure my wife will be happy with this. All right, so let's move on to the other one. Let's get this out of the way. Now, I reckon this is my sneaker. By the looks of it, the size is just the usual, probably 9.5 or 9.5 US. Okay, so I reckon let me check. Oh, okay. I think this is a book one signature sneaker, or I would say Devin Booker's signature sneaker. So let's just go around the box, just have a look. Yeah, the usual logos and the technology that it has. It has air sole. Okay, so I'm just gonna show it to you right away. So it's the Book One Blue Blood, I believe, and the size is 9.5 US, and the color is, well, it says here multicolor. Sail. I can't read the other details, but what's important is when we open the box. All right, let's do that then. Maybe a little bit of drum roll. Maybe not. Let's do the drum roll next time. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. I didn't expect this. It's a denim look, actually. Wow. Oh, look at this. It's sort of like a washed out effect. Sort of like when you wear jeans or something like that, and you know, I mean, you know, in comparison, this is sort of like a worn out outer sole here. And then at a close up, you have this number 1 and the heel. Now the feel of this, of course, it's actually canvas, I believe. It's canvas, and yeah, it's pretty lightweight in my opinion. Yeah. Okay. All right. I like it. I like it. It's pretty simple. I mean, this is something that you could I would say dress down, if I might say. I mean, you can dress it for casual, and what's importantly is that you could use it to play hoops or to play basketball. So that's a double I would say benefits for you as a hooper or as a basketball player. So let me just check. So this is the tongue of the shoe. Let me just give you a quick close up here. Book here. And then, of course, there's the number 1 here. And the swoosh here, yeah, it's like a denim pattern as well, but it has a different color. So if you look closely, and towards the heel, and another continuation of the Nike swoosh as well. Now you can see this bit here, you know, it's like, you know, worn out denim, if I may say. Now there's a logo as well here, another detail that you will see in these pair of sneakers. And on the outsole you have the Air Zoom logo here as well. Now and then this outsole I think is one of the best, I would say, in terms of the grip and performance. Yeah, but I would say I like the effect. I mean, I haven't had any pair of sneakers that look like this in terms of like the materials that are being used, and you know how they implemented the color of pretty much a worn out outer sole of the shoe or outsoles of the shoe. Yeah, it's something unique. You know, it's something unique. It doesn't mean that it's messy or dirty or something like that, but that's just the way it looks. Now let's just have a look at the other pair. Yeah, so it's consistent. Yeah, so you have the number here on this side as well. You have the Nike swoosh. No extra shoelaces, by the way. So of course you have this, and of course the same look and feel. Yeah, so sort of like a worn out style, but that's okay. I mean, that's the look and feel that they're going for. And this is the Blue Blood colorway for the Book 1 signature sneaker. So now they said it's a little bit narrow, but in my opinion, could be just the right size for me. I'm 9.5 US, and I don't want it really wide, or I don't really want it too long for me. I just want it like not necessarily snug fit, but something that would just fit just right, and I'm okay with that. But I don't think that it's narrow. Some people are saying it's narrow, but I don't know. I mean, it all depends on the size of your foot or feet in general. But yeah, but the best thing for you is to really go to the store and check them out and try them on to see if it really fits your feet. Now, one thing that I would say is that I'm not sure how long will this material will last. I reckon this is just a canvas, but implemented as a denim in terms of like the look and feel. But other than that, I mean, it looks nice. I mean, it looks sturdy, and it's not heavy in my opinion. I unboxed so many sneakers already, and I can't compare this to the LeBrons or any, you know, of those series that they feel a bit more bulkier and heavy compared to this one. But this is pretty lightweight in my opinion. But yes, I think this is something that I would wear in summer, and it's good to pair with, of course, jeans. It's good to pair with shorts, blue shorts when you're playing basketball. Of course, you need to pair your color as well. You just don't play basketball without having a color coordination, in my opinion, of course. I mean, well, you can wear whatever you want, but whenever I play basketball, if I'm wearing blue, colored scheme sneaker, then I would actually pair it with, you know, a resemblance of these colors, like blue, light blue, or something like that. I'm going to do a performance review for this sneaker, so stay tuned for that video. But anyway, let me just put this back in the box. And that's pretty much like a short unboxing for me. It's actually a massive box. So what I have here is the duffel bag, the Nike 2.0 utility bag, the Nike Shox R4, and then of course this Book One Blue Blood signature sneaker. And that's the only time I've got for you today. Until my next unboxing, this is Days, and I will see you in the next Sneakeroos video.